guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 7. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to describe ways to make 9 with a number bond and also using a picture. So looking at this is around the same setup on one of our previous videos. And in this, we have to just show which two dice could make 9. So now looking at this, we have to just see which two dice can make 9. Well, what about 5 plus 2? Put up 5 fingers, add 2. 5, 6, 7. Nope, that makes 7, not 9. What about 5 plus 4? Put up 5 fingers, then 4 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yep, that makes 9. So we know that 5 and 4 are our parts. And whenever we put them together, it makes 9. Now remember whenever I keep on telling you guys is that the two parts of the number sentence, they love to hug the plus sign. Remember, we keep our numbers happy. So since we know they love to hug that plus sign, we're going to make sure we keep doing that. So our two parts, which is 5 and 4, are going to hug the plus sign no matter which order, which number goes first, as long as they're both hugging that plus sign. So we know that 5 plus 4 makes 9, or equals 9. And then this, it says 9 equals blank plus blank. Oh, well, we know that this number sentence is no big deal. It's the exact same thing we've been doing. The only difference is that the whole wanted to be first. So we know that 9 is equal to 5 plus 4. And we also know that we could have done it a different way. And we can have just put the other part in front. So instead of it being 5 plus 4 equals 9, we could have said 4 plus 5 equals 9. And 9 equals 4 plus 5. And now, some of you might be like, well, Ms. Perkins, that's not exactly the one that I found. That's right. There is other ones that we can find besides 5 and 4. There's at least one more other way to make 9 with using these two dice. With using these dice that we're given, there's at least 2 more dice that can make 9. Well, let's see. We know that 5 and 4 made 9. What about 6 and 2? Let's put up our fingers. 6 fingers and then add 2. 6, 7, 8. Nope, that makes 8. Well, let's try 6 and 3. 6 fingers up, then 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up. Yep, that makes 9, so we could do the same thing. We know that 6 and 3 are our parts, 9 is our whole. 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 9 equals 6 plus 3. We know that we can also switch those parts around and make it 3 plus 6 equals 9, and 9 equals 3 plus 6. As long as those parts are hugging that plus sign, we're all good. All right, guys, that's it for this video.